customers. Method 2, build hundreds of pages around alternative keywords. Okay, so I just told you all that Google's kind of dying, right? So why would I recommend for you to create hundreds of pages with AI? I created a JPEG to PNG converter. Now, I'm probably never gonna rank for this keyword on its own. So instead, you take your main keyword and you spin it into hundreds of smaller specific versions, and you give each one its own specific page. Now, the whole point of this is not to rank for your main keyword, but it's to rank for alternative keywords that your customers might be searching for. Now, let me give you a demonstration of what exactly I did so you can replicate this for your own project so you can start getting traffic right away. Now, going over here to our analytics, you're gonna see that right here we have all these random pages. Now, we are getting visitors from these pages, and believe it or not, we actually asked the application to create a variety of different pages around specific keywords. Now, if we go to my application and scroll to the bottom of the page and click on Explore All Guides and Pages, you're gonna see it created all these different pages. So we have a simple note-taking app on purpose, an Evernote Alternative for iPhone that opens instantly. You know, all these really low competitive keyword that we're aiming for, right? And these are the keywords that you wanna go for. You don't wanna go for Evernote Alternative. I mean, you're probably not gonna rank for that. I'm probably not gonna rank for that. So going over here to my Vibe coding app, I want to do more SEO work. I want you to explain that this app is an alternative to Notion.com. These pages must be unique, and I want to try to rank for alternative keywords. Can you do keyword research and give me keywords that relate to Notion Alternative? And instead of selecting build, I'm gonna click on plan and then run this prompt. Now, while this is building, if we go over here to our Google Search Console, and we already have some impressions. Now, going over here to pages, there we go. You're gonna see that these pages are slowly starting to get, crawled and indexed